Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the world of Feng Shui. Feng Shui is an ancient Chinese practice that seeks to harmonize individuals with their surroundings. It is based on the concept of balancing energy, or qi, in order to promote health, wealth, and harmony. One way to practice Feng Shui is by decluttering your space to allow positive energy flow, arranged in a way that promotes a smooth and flowing movement throughout the room. Use color intentionally to create a desired atmosphere and energy in each area of your living or working space. Place mirrors strategically to reflect light and expand the space, promoting a sense of openness and abundance. Introduce natural elements like plants, water features, or crystals to bring a sense of balance and connection with nature. Consider the placement of your bed, desk, and stove, as these items symbolize important aspects of your life. Clear any negative energy by cleansing your space with sage or incense regularly. Pay attention to the front door, as it represents the main entryway for energy to enter your home. Remove any obstacles or clutter from your entrance to ensure a smooth and welcoming flow of energy. Hang wind chimes outside your home to bring forth positive energy and dispel stagnant or negative vibrations. Place a small water feature, such as a fountain or a bowl of water, in the northeast corner of your home to attract abundance. Position your dining table so that it is not directly in line with the front door, promoting good digestion and conversation. Bring in natural light and fresh air by opening windows regularly and using light-colored curtains. Avoid having sharp corners pointing towards you while sitting or sleeping, as they can create negative energy. Use essential oils or aromatherapy diffusers to enhance the ambience and promote relaxation in your space. Position your bed in a commanding position where you can see the entrance of the room but are not directly in line with it. Display artwork or photographs that evoke positive emotions and represent your personal goals and aspirations. Keep your workspace clean and organized to enhance focus, productivity, and creativity. Choose furniture with rounded edges instead of sharp corners to promote a gentle and flowy energy. Incorporate the 5 elements of Feng Shui: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water in different areas of your home. Create a sacred space or altar where you can meditate, reflect, or practice mindfulness. Position your stove in a way that enhances your wealth and abundance, preferably facing the entrance of your kitchen. Use scented candles with calming fragrances like lavender or chamomile to create a relaxed atmosphere. Place a small, healthy plant on your desk or near your workspace to improve air quality and increase energy levels. Balance the yin and yang energies by incorporating both light and dark colors in your space. Ensure that your bedroom promotes restful sleep by avoiding electronics and creating a calm and peaceful ambience. Position a full-length mirror in the hallway to create a sense of spaciousness and reflect positive energy. Avoid having a toilet facing the main door, as it represents flushing away good fortune and opportunities. Choose furniture and decor that you love and that sparks joy, rather than simply following the latest trends. Position a crystal in your window to disperse negative energy and invite positive energy into your space. Use a Bagua map to identify the areas of your home that correspond to different aspects of your life. Situate your desk in a power position where you have a clear view of the entrance and a solid wall behind you. Hang a crystal at a window to refract sunlight and disperse positive energy throughout the room. Place a small water fountain near your front entrance to attract wealth and opportunities into your home. Avoid sleeping under a beam or sloped ceiling, as they can create oppressive and stagnant energy. Use natural fabrics like cotton or linen for your bedding and curtains to promote a sense of comfort and relaxation. Keep the bathroom door closed and the toilet seat down to minimize the outflow of positive energy. Choose artwork or decor that depicts uplifting and serene scenes to promote a calming atmosphere. Place a small statue or figurine of a Buddha or a deity of your choice to bring blessings and protection. Harmonize the colors in your space by using a color wheel and understanding their correspondences to different areas of life. Consider the placement and arrangement of your furniture to create comfortable and spacious living areas. Enhance the area of love and relationships by placing pairs of objects or artwork that symbolize unity and partnership. Create a dedicated space for exercise and movement to promote physical and mental well-being. Incorporate elements of symmetry and balance in your decor to promote harmony and a sense of completeness. Remove any dead plants or dried flowers from your space, as they represent stagnant and negative energy. Use Feng Shui crystals such as amethyst, clear quartz, or citron to amplify positive energy and intentions. Choose a front door color that is aligned with your personal goals, such as red for prosperity or blue for tranquility. Position your bed, desk, or stove in a way that is supported or challenged by a solid wall. Incorporate fountains or flowing water features in your garden or outdoor space to promote the flow of positive energy. Ensure that your workspace receives ample natural light to enhance focus and productivity. Introduce aromatherapy with essential oils like eucalyptus, peppermint, or rosemary to help improve mental clarity. Maintain a balance between open and closed storage to promote organization and ease in your space. Pay attention to the placement of power cords and electrical equipment to minimize electromagnetic fields in your space. Incorporate curved shapes and circular patterns in your decor to encourage a smooth and continuous flow of energy. Enhance the creativity and inspiration in your space by using vibrant colors and unique artwork. Consider the symbolism and energy of each item you bring into your space, ensuring they align with your intentions. Bring elements of nature indoors, such as fresh flowers or potted plants, to improve air quality and uplift the energy. Use a compass to determine the directional energy in each area of your home and align furniture accordingly. Dedicate a space for rest and relaxation with soft lighting and comfortable seating to encourage rejuvenation. Attract abundance and positive energy by displaying a bowl of fresh fruit in your kitchen or dining area. Incorporate natural scents, such as lavender or jasmine, in your space to promote a sense of calm and tranquility. Arrange books and bookshelves in an organized and visually appealing manner to promote knowledge and wisdom. Create a designated space for personal reflection and journaling to promote self-awareness and inner peace. Select a comfortable and supportive chair for your workspace to encourage good posture and positive energy. Avoid placing a mirror directly facing the bed, as it can disrupt the quality of your sleep and energy flow. Integrate Feng Shui principles into your garden by creating a clear and inviting pathway to your front door. Position your desk or workspace in the west or northwest area of your home to enhance creativity and business success. Keep your space well lit and free from clutter to allow energy to flow freely and avoid stagnation. Remember to regularly evaluate and adjust your Feng Shui practices to align with your changing needs and intentions. I hope you found these examples helpful in understanding how to practice Feng Shui in your everyday life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on home and lifestyle tips.